Hello sir, good afternoon. Welcome to Rashid's Restaurant. How may I help you?
I would like to dine in.
Okay sir, what's your name sir?
Levi Gobales.
Okay sir. Sir Levi, table for how many sir?
One person.
Okay sir. For one sir. Okay sir, follow me to receipt sir. Okay sir, so now sir, here's our menu sir. So would you like me to state the menu sir or would you like to read it?
Would like to drink.
Okay sir.
I want to order one beef bulgogi.
One beef bulgogi. And for the side, sir, what do you want for side? Mashed potato or canapé?
Mashed potato.
Okay, sir. Mashed potato. For the drink, sir, I would recommend our house blend iced tea, sir, if you would like.
One half the rice.
Okay, sir. Is that all, sir? Okay, sir. Repeat order ko, sir. One beef bulgogi, then one mashed potato, then one house blend iced tea, sir.
That's all.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.